Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Zoo Beak. At tinry namin to up close with the lion. Ayan, ang laki-laki nila, grabe. Ito yung unang-una na babae, tapos ito naman. Oh, lalaking leon. Ito naman, yung pangatlo. Sobrang dami. Sabi nila, meron daw silang more than, I think, 10.
He reminds me of Popo. Oh.
Akyat-akyat pa siya. Tapos, ayan, ready na siyang mga
This one reminds
pitbahay.
me of Popo. It's the way he looks. Like,
Tingin-tingin lang pag may time. Ito naman isa si
look, it's Popo.
Tamagotchi.
I'm telling you, look at
Tulog-tulog
he's
siya.
smiling
Siguro
at us.
busog to, kakakain lang.
Mom, he's looking. He's
Tingnan
looking.
nyo, look at the paws. Ang laki-laki, grabe. O, isa rin to, Tamagotchi. Yun lang, Zubik.
Why do I recognize?